My view is that the best way to learn a software programming language is to read the official language specification a few times, then to actually practice writing code in the language, then executing and testing the code as much as you can. The official PHP language specification is available at php.net/emmanuel/en/langref.php. This is my PHP language usage overview. This is a very simple presentation. I might add additional content later. Instead of going over the details that are already in the official language specification, I'll present only the PHP language construct and usage technique outline that I keep in mind when I write code in the PHP software programming language. As a software code writer, in any and every software programming language, you always use a very limited number of different types of software code constructs, and you use a very limited number of software programming language usage techniques. I review and keep in mind the following PHP language constructs and usage techniques when I write a software program in PHP. Splitting PHP code into multiple files, declaring and using data variables in PHP, declaring and using functions in PHP, declaring and using classes and interfaces in PHP, using attributes in PHP, writing expressions in PHP, writing statements in PHP, I/O in PHP, asynchronous programming in PHP, exception handling in PHP, writing, testing, and debugging code in PHP, documenting PHP code. The PHP software programming language has the following constructs: types, variables, constants, expressions, operators, control structures, functions, classes and objects, namespaces, enumerations, errors, exceptions, fibers, generators, attributes, references, predefined variables, predefined exceptions, predefined interfaces and classes, context options and parameters, and supported protocols and wrappers. For more info on the aforementioned PHP language construct and usage techniques, refer to the one or more of the PHP language references that I've mentioned earlier.